Really nice trading day today. Big gains in crude oil. I'm going to start out with that market. SR counter trend 3 crude oil A. It hit its profit target 475. Gap fill in reverse, lost minus 525. Then we had big gains on Cobra crude, a conservative and aggressive, up about 2,015 per contract. And then over here up about 1,975 per contract on crude swing. So almost $6,000 per contract in the 200K portfolio trading crude oil today, and that would make us up $10,000 today on the 200K portfolio and $2,100 on the 50K portfolio. I screwed up automation on both of these, missed it by, should be $1,100 higher, missed a Cobra 3 trade, but we are at equity peaks in the 200K portfolio in the both in real money and in the model that we're trading. So smashing through to equity peaks here at the end of the year. So good trade today. And then let's look at the rest of the trades. We'll go to the market internals first. Interesting open. Really weird to see the NASDAQ and S&P so strong at the open. Really strong. With the VIX ticking higher towards the open. The VIX ticked higher. The market internals got slammed. Advanced decline line was not even above 1,000, and it was right at the 796 level. Went negative, rallied again, went negative, while the stock indexes kept grinding higher, and the stock indexes won that battle because the advanced decline line eventually went above 1,000, and the ticks were relatively sideways most of the day to up above zero more than down. So just if you look at price, it's just a breakaway trend day like we've been having. We're getting that Santa Claus rally, getting that end of year allocation, and so makes for good trading today. Let's go over the rest of the trades on the day. 50K portfolio, you see there was a gap continuation trade, minus about 325 per contract. SR counter trend 3 crude oil plus 475. Looks terrible to have a profit target on a day like today, on a move like that, but Cobra crude did capture that to get the 2,000 per contract. And then Cobra 3 up about $1,100 per contract, and so automation was messed up because of the holiday, so I don't typically make that sort of error, but did that today, and so still at equity peaks on the 200K and close to that on the 50K. So let's look at soybeans, grains, day trader 3. Soybeans is climbing higher now. It's a strong trend higher, and we're talking about the inflation trade last week. Minus 375 per contract on soybeans, trying to short it at the open, fill that gap. Copper, no trades. Copper moving higher too. Inflation trade is back on. Silver up a little bit. Gold, nice trading day in gold. SR counter trend 2 gold plus 475 per contract. Asia Gold 4 up a little bit on the trade, and then gold reversal held that one over the weekend. I didn't exit these trades on the weekend, the short and the ES, and the long and the gold, I held those, and that one is still on. So we're still long 2 gold contracts. I like being long gold here. Natural gas, no trades. Crude oil, we already went over crude oil, big trades. NASDAQ, we're still on the EVP1 trade right here. 60-minute breakout, you see how that did. 1 loser and 2 winners, hitting its profit target. Gap continuation, hitting its profit target on the 2019 version. The 2020 version lost, minus 325. Cobra 3 up about $1,100 per contract. And then on the ES, this one we held over the weekend. I liked holding that over the weekend because I thought we'd get a little bit of a dip, enough to hit the profit target, but we didn't. Such a strong market. Stopped out on this trade, about 750, 800 on the day. But Cobra 3 stepped in, plus 575, 60-minute breakout, stepped in, plus about 1,000 per contract on the day. And you see that it's got this position going here. 60-minute breakout is long. I believe EVP1 just exited there, and then gold. So we're long gold. We're long 2 gold contracts and long 1 ES contract as we go into the next session. And so those are the trades on the day. And once again, 200K up, 10K, 50K up, 2,100 should be up more. but had that error on my side. So good trading day. 4 trading days left in the year. I like these portfolios going into 2022 as well, and so we'll be talking more about that this week.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.